Time now to talk about your money. Family and financial legal expert Alexis Martin Neely is going to join us every Friday to talk about how to keep more of your money, how not to waste it, and how to save it. These are real tips for real women. It's so nice to have you here.
Thank you.
All right, today we're going to talk about legal planning for your family. Don't turn away because there are some really important essentials that you need to know to keep your family in order. Let's start with some documents that a lot of us may not think about when it comes to keeping our family in financial shape.
Yeah, every adult person, regardless of whether you have children, whether you're married, no matter what, if you're over 18, you've got to have an advanced health care directive and a durable power of attorney. These are the legal documents that, if you become incapacitated, are going to give someone the right and the power to make decisions for you if you can't make them for yourself.
You need to see an attorney for these documents?
For those two documents, you really don't. You
Okay.
can go on the internet, you can search for them. There are some important things to think about, though. With the health care directive, you want to make sure that it includes language for the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. Very important. And for the durable power of attorney, you just want to make sure that it's broad enough and it covers everything. If you go to our website, familywealthmatters.com, we have some links to some free documents on that website.
Let's talk about the living trust. When many of us hear the words living trust, we think maybe it's in our older years, our golden years, when we can't take care of ourselves. Why is that so important?
The living trust is critical to make sure that things will be as easy as possible for the people that you love after something happens to you. And that can be any time. It can
Sure.
be now, it can be later in life, and you want to be prepared. If you own any property or any assets and you want things to be as easy as possible for your family, totally private, and not have to go through the court, you're going to want a living trust.
Let's talk about the kids and choices that you need to make and the planning that's essential where they're concerned.
Whenever you have children, you want to make sure that you're planning not only for the long term, but also for the short term. 69% of parents haven't named guardians for their kids. Of the 31% who have, most have made at least one of 6 common mistakes.
So many of us think, well, nothing will happen to me. We don't think about these things, but it's so important to have all of these things in place and
right.
take the precautions and the necessary steps ahead of time.
And it's really easy to do. Most people don't realize that. They think it's very complicated. They think you must see a lawyer, and that's not always the case. So the important thing is to be informed, know what's necessary, and then just get it taken care of, because it's not hard and it doesn't have to be depressing.
And it's so important. You have a great book, Wear Clean Underwear. Tell us
That's
what
right.
folks are going to find in this. I love the title.
Yeah, well, the title is reflective of the whole book, because it doesn't have to be this scary thing. It can be very light. Wear clean underwear. It's not enough when you're a parent just to wear clean underwear anymore. There's other legal planning you have to do. The book is coming out May 7th, and anybody that buys the book on May 7th will get thousands of dollars worth of bonuses for parents. It's specifically for parents, and more information is available about that at wearcleanunderwearbook.com.
Yeah, the great thing about this is it's easy reading. You're going to find some very valuable information in here, things that you really may not have thought about before. And Alexis is great with the family planning. She's a lawyer. She knows all of the stuff that you need to know to get those essentials in place for your family planning. And we're looking forward to seeing you each week here.
Great.
Thank
Thanks,
you
Kim.
so much.
Thank you.